Okay, here we have a sets and Venn diagrams question, and you've got three sets: students who study German, students who study French, students who study maths. First of all, G intersection M, this means the students who study both German and maths. It's the intersection of German and maths students, and that set is empty. This symbol here is the empty set. So in other words, we've got G intersection M is empty. In other words, there are no members of G intersection M. In other words, there are no students who study both German and maths. So you could just write something along those lines. So if you like, no one studies German and maths. Or if you like, as the question said to you, write a statement about the students who study German. All of the students who study German do not study maths, would be another way of saying it. Okay, next bit. Preeti is a student in year 12. Preeti, this symbol means is not an element of set F. In other words, Preeti is not amongst the students who study French. In other words, Preeti doesn't study French, okay, or doesn't do French, something along those lines. Doesn't do French, that would do. Okay, we now go on to something a little bit more abstract, where we have two sets, A and B, and those two sets intersect. In other words, they overlap. So if this is set A, and this is set B. I'm just going to do a very rough Venn diagram. This just might make it a little bit clearer. The intersection, I can't really draw set A until I've drawn the ones which are in the intersection. I can see that 2 and 4 are in the intersection of A and B, which leaves 6, 8, and 10, which are in set A only. Now A union B, that's putting the two sets together, and that consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Well, we've already got 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 over here, so that leaves 1, which must be only in B, and also 3. Let's just check I've got everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, and 10. In other words, my Venn diagram looks like that. Be careful, the question says list all the members of set B, and this is the circle containing set B. In other words, the members of set B are 1, 2, 3, and 4. And really, you should put the curly brackets around there, but I don't think you'll be penalised if you don't.